How to install Secret Santa app DrawNames. So yeah, you can just tap to download it, and then yeah, here you have that. It's one of the top apps for Secret Santa gift exchange. Yeah, there are a bunch of websites and other apps, but this is the top one. As you can see, it's a clear leader. It's in the top charts, and especially during Christmas season, in companies, in families, when people want to draw Secret Santa gifts. That's really handy and useful app which can save you a lot of time. So yeah, here you can either accept invitation, click on the invitation link, and the organizer has sent you to join the group. You can start exchanging wish list, or you can start drawing names. So what's your name? So then you can just write your name. What do you want? Who do you want to draw names with? And then you can just and enter some other names. And then your group is too small. An exclusion indicates which name someone may not draw. And then what do you want to draw names for? Like Secret Santa, Christmas, New Year, Thanksgivings. And then you just create this when you're going to celebrate Christmas Santa. How much people should spend. I don't know what that is. Turn notifications on. And then time to share, to invite everyone to draw a name for Secret Santa 2023. Share invitation using text message, email, or any other app. Then just you can share invitations. So this is something like it looks like. We are going to draw names for Secret Santa 2023. Make a wish list and draw name so that everyone has time to buy a gift. Group members like this, gift amount, and click an invitation link to join. And then each of you will see who is he or she Secret Santa for. So for who he should buy a gift. So that's the idea. And then you're now taking part in Secret Santa. You can also make a wish list here so that everyone can see what you wanna. And then yeah, you can just enter your wishes, or you can just search through the brands, like add to your wish list. And then yeah, basically, like when the person is matched with you and the person is Secret Santa for you, then they will just know exactly what's your wish list. So people are just not spending money just like as it is. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And you can do it really easily, as you can see, just from the app. Super easy. It took me like 30 seconds. You don't need to spend like whole day organizing it, either if you're in a family or you're working in an office, like operations manager, whatever. In a big enterprise, when they have these huge Christmas parties, it can be such a huge hassle. Of course, if you want to host like hundreds of people, in a big corporation, then probably you need to upload some kind of Excel list or something like that. I don't know how exactly you can do it with this app. Maybe on the website you can do it if you're looking for more enterprise solution. But yeah, it's very fun for family and friends. That's definitely working. So yeah,